I don't know why I'm doing this.
Huh? I think I look pretty good, right?
Please subscribe.
Just gonna put on some highlighters.
Okay, I look like I got a punch in my eyes. And hey guys, and today we are going to do the makeup, trying to look like her. And I will be actually trying my best, trying to not fuck this up and actually looking like Lisa from like BlackPink, okay? I never done this before. Like, I do my own makeup, everyday makeup, but like never those kind of like makeup. So I'm going to try my best and try not to fuck this up. Normally what I do first is to use a cap of the setting powder as a work surface, and I, instead of using foundation, I use concealer here a little bit and then put on my face a little bit. I'm just gonna brighten this part of my face. I have no idea what I'm doing, so just like bear with me. I'm just gonna conceal and brighten.
Conceal, bake, brighten. Conceal, bake, brighten. Conceal, bake, brighten. KKW Beauty, you guys.
Cover my mustache. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in and looking at the monitor and using my feet to adjust the camera. And this is a very cheap production, so bear with me. Okay, my skin is very dry, so I'm gonna moisturize a little bit. This is Volma, like prime with a hydrating fluid. This is what I put on my face after shower. So I'm just gonna... I don't know what I'm doing, so don't follow me. People hate me. I mean, like, I will never look as good as her, but I'm gonna try. It's just gonna blend everything together. So as you can tell, this is very moisturizing. It's not covering a lot, but it's like giving me the coverage I need. I'm just gonna use more. Korean makeup is very like dewy, natural. It's not like very out there. Oh god, I look like a ghost. And then what we are going to do is using setting powders. Just set it. I mean, try to set it because it's so moisturizing. Probably never gonna set. I don't know. Everything is just natural, so the makeup. What I noticed is when they are doing eyeliner, it goes around, so it like opens your eye up. So let's try that. Let me dust all the bakes off, so I don't look too cakey. I mean, I'm gonna keep using this, and on my bronzer, just contour a little bit. Instead of using the full contouring, I'm just gonna use bronzer. It's probably gonna look so bad in natural lighting though. What I like to do is just add some depth to my face. So what I like to do is to bridging, like to blend the nose contour to my brows so it looks more natural, I assume. So I like to use the same color to just go over my crease. Still same bronzer. What I like to do is just to use my hand to blend everything a little bit. And then we are going to bake. Just a little bit. Under the eye. Just bake on the tip of my nose. And down the bridge. So like small brush gave me more precision. And then what I'm going to do is to start using eyeshadow. Let's see what I have. What we have here is Tom Ford. Let's look at the picture of their makeup again. Okay, what I'm going to do first is just like warm up the base. So I'm going to use a lighter color. Maybe this. I don't know what I'm doing. This color. Let's just try it. It's very glittery, which I love. And I'm just going to use the shadow to create a cat eye. Like, I don't want go too far. Yeah, I can see myself as Jenny.
Delusion. Convince yourself.
And then we're just gonna use the darker color to create a eyeliner looking stuff. And using the same brush. Okay, let's try. Hope for the best. I can smoke it out, I guess. Okay, I look like I got a punch in my eyes. I'm just trying to blend everything. In the picture, they have like in the inner corner eye. I'm just gonna open it up with this eyebrow pencil from Anastasia and a little bit winged liner on the side because this is very easy to work with. Try to use eyeliner to create like the inner corner side. Okay, and then we're moving on brows. First I'm going to do is use the brow gel. Yeah, this one's way better. Is use some of the eyeshadow from before. Just put on my brow. Female brow have like a little bit more arch, so I'm just gonna make it lower. Instead, like normally I go up, but this time it's just gonna go down. And add a little bit arch on the top. Okay, you know what? Let's try a little bit eyeliner. Just a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, this is too much. Okay. You know what? This side is horrible. Let's just focusing on this side, okay? I'm just gonna cover this side. Just don't look at this side. I think that's it. That's pretty much it. I think there's not much more to it, I assume. So, I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on some highlighter and blush. Just gonna put on some highlighters. I look so stupid. This is so stupid. Oh god. Maybe a wig will help? Let me put on a wig. Better? I look so stupid. Oh my god. Maybe. I look like a ghost.
Oh, hey there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're entertained. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. What else? Tell me what you want to see and what I can improve on and curse me out. I don't care. I don't know you. Subscribe, please, so you can know next time when I'm posting a new video. I think I'm funny. And leave thumbs up. Please don't tell my mom. She'll be so weirded out by this. I see you next time until I see you. Bye. Okay, how do I close this shit? Oh. I'm just gonna take a picture and Photoshop the shit out of it, and